This is the Testo 868S thermal imaging camera. So what do you get in the case when you purchase the camera? Inside, rugged carry case to look after your camera. You have the rechargeable battery, a charger, and a download cable in case you want to use the Testo IFOV software. So the first job when you take the Testo 868S out of its case is to install the battery. Simply slide the handle to reveal the battery compartment. Take the battery with the thumb grip pointing downwards, install on the guide and firmly locate. And put the battery cover back on. The camera will boot straight away once the battery has been applied. It goes through a landing splash page and allow the instrument loading bar to fully complete, and the instrument will then be ready for use. Once the instrument has fully booted and is ready for use, you clearly get to see on the right hand side of the screen the palette bar indicating the current palette that's been selected. If you wish to select a different palette, just use the center OK button with an up-down motion and you can actually step through the different palettes that are available within the camera. To access the central menu for your camera function, simply push down the center button to reveal the number of tiles with different options, and then use the up and down arrow to select the required function. With the Testo 868S, the camera takes both a thermal image and has an integrated digital camera. So with a single squeeze of the trigger, you record both your infrared image and your visual image for reference. With the Testo 868S camera, all the images are stored to internal memory. To access that, you can either access the memory via a USB download using the Testo IFOV software. The other way of accessing the image gallery is by connecting the camera to our Testo thermography app, which can be used with a tablet or smartphone.